Multiply binomials using FOIL. The acronym FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last, which means you're going to multiply the first terms together, the outer or outside terms together, then the inner or inside terms together, and then your last terms. So let's do an example to see what that involves. Here we're going to multiply these two binomials, a plus 4 times a plus 9. We have two binomials, and whenever you have two binomials, you can use the FOIL method to multiply the numbers. So first, the first term of the first binomial with the first term of the second binomial. Outer, the outside terms from both of the binomials, the outer terms. Inner, and then the last terms. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and multiply across. A times a is a squared plus 9a. Anytime you have a variable and a number, you say the number first. So that's, again, a squared plus 9a plus 4a plus, multiplying 4 times 9 is 36. Your last step of the FOIL method is to combine outer and inner. And why do you have to combine outer and inner? Because outer and inner are like terms. 9a plus 4a equals 13a, and that leaves me with a final answer of a squared plus 13a plus 36. Let's do another example using the FOIL method. So we have r minus 4 times r minus 5. We're going to use FOIL, which stands for multiply the first terms together, then the outer terms, next inner terms, and then the last terms. Let's see what we have here. We have r squared minus 5r minus 4r. A negative and a negative is a positive, so that's plus 20. Next, we want to combine outer and inner because outer and inner are like terms. Negative 5r combined with negative 4r. Signs are the same. Keep the sign and add the numbers. That's going to give me negative 9r, which gives me a final answer of r squared minus 9r plus 20. Let's multiply these two binomials using the FOIL method. We have 5q minus 3t times 3q plus 4t. FOIL stands for multiply the first terms together, then the outer terms, the inner, and then the last terms. Let's see what we have here. We have 15. How many q's do we have? 2, yes. So that's 15q squared plus 20 QT, and we always say it in ABC order, whichever letter comes first, minus 9 QT negative 12 T squared. Lastly, we're going to combine outer and inner because outer and inner are like terms. That's going to leave me with 11 QT. So your final answer is 15Q squared plus 11 QT minus 12T squared.